Okay, so we are about to do a test transmission using our new overhead speaker audio system, which he quit talking as soon as there he is. So up there, Steve can actually shut off the speaker, show him where that is. That, and there's a volume control.
And it's off?
That's off. That's
now it's back on.
And we have the same setup over here that's also functional. And so when he transmits, he will actually be talking to air traffic controller on PilotEdge.
Sure, ready? Want me to talk?
Sure, go ahead. Well, whenever he's finished.
Squawk 7352 and 9 minutes. Radar contact flight level 410, about 5-6 miles from the Avenel VOR.
So it's Las Vegas ground.
Correct 182 heavy, roger, and
Janet 224 radio check.
Las Vegas ground, Janet 224 radio check.
Yep.
All right, I'm going to try to do that
All right.
on this hot mic. Las Vegas ground, Janet 224 radio check.
Yeah, 224 Las Vegas ground, a little unreadable this time.
A little unreadable this time. Las Vegas ground, 224 radio check, different mic.
Janet 224 loud and clear.
Loud and clear.
That was good.
Correct 182 contact Los Angeles Center, 135.
So you have it, a live communication with Las Vegas ground for the first time using the loudspeaker system. Okay, this is a look at our intercom system. The actual intercom is installed down here in the computer bay, where it's easily accessible for volume setting or to turn it on and off. And it's also set in position where it's wiring is easily connected to the computer or disconnected. Okay, this is my test setup. I'm just trying out the circuits one by one to make sure everything is going to function the way I think it should. Right now we're testing out the first officer side for the hand mic and the overhead speaker. Also interface to the intercom and through the intercom to the computer. You can hear a sound in the background. That's audio coming from the computer through the intercom through the overhead 737 speaker. I have the main overhead down because the next part of the project is to interface the computer's transmit function so that when you talk through the hand mic, it transmit that audio through the intercom, through the computer, over the internet to PilotEdge. And then the PilotEdge controllers can hear us. So what we have here, these are the wires coming from the first officer's microphone. The set of wires is the wiring to the intercom. The set of wires is to the flight officer's overhead speaker. And this is our 28 volt power. And in a minute I will also have the wiring coming in for the transmit function through the keyboard emulator to the computer. So this is our basic circuitry to have just the first officer's hand mic, overhead speaker, his all connected to the intercom. Now the first officer's headset is also connected. That's to a different output on the intercom system. It connects over here behind what's up here, behind and above the first officer's position. And I'm going to transmit through the microphone. The microphone will energize a relay in the overhead speaker system, which will mute the overhead speaker so that I don't get feedback through the overhead speaker when I transmit through the hand mic.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing.
1, 2, 3. Testing. Testing 1, 2,
These microphones are really loud. So without that mute function, the sound is super loud coming through the overhead speaker. Much louder than the audio that comes from the headset mic.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
See, there you can hear the difference in the sound when I have the hand mic depressed.
1, 2, 3. Testing.
There's the hand mic released.
1, 2, 3.
Now I will also talk through this headset.
1, 2, 3. Testing. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing.
This is a headset test. Testing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now as you can see, talking through the headset, you can still hear the sound coming over the overhead. It's not near as loud. Like I said, the audio from the headset mic's not as loud, so even though the mute function's not working on the speaker, it still works okay. You also notice an effect that this intercom mutes the sound coming from the computer whenever I talk.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing.
So that's why that sound goes away whenever I'm speaking through the microphone on the headset.
2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing.
The intercom's actually muting the sound coming from the computer.
1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing.
That's because we are using the music input on the intercom to get the sound into the system from the computer.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
And the intercom has an automatic mute function for music.
3. Testing. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3.
This is a demonstration of the amount of wiring the simulator is consuming. You see this big old spool. Here's my foot for a size comparison. This is actual aircraft wire. This is the shielded wire, so this is pretty expensive stuff. So I'm threading this one through the wire bundles into the overhead, and where it will connect to the bundle that goes to the front of the sim.